Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial we will see the test which is known as catalase test. In this test we will see the purpose of test, why we perform this test, principle of this test and procedure of this test, how to perform this test. First of all, purpose of this test. The catalase test is used to identify the organism that produce catalase enzyme. It is most commonly used to differentiate the members of catalase positive Macrococcus family, or you can say the Staphylococcus from the catalase negative Streptococcus family, also called as Streptococcus. Variant on this test may also be used to identification of Mycobacterium species. For example, Mycobacterium leprae, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, etc. Principle of this test. The electron transport chain of aerobic and facultative anaerobic bacteria are composed of molecules capable of accepting and donating the electrons as condition dictate. As you can say you can see using the Google, electron transport chain is transfer the electron from higher potential to lower potential, mean from different electron acceptor to electron donating oxygen, different electron donating group to oxygen, which is electron acceptor. As such, these molecules alternate between the oxidized and reduced form, mean these molecules either oxidized formed or reduced formed, passing the electron down to the chain to the final electron acceptor. Energy lost by electron in this sequential transfer is to perform oxidative phosphorylation, mean in the production of ATP from ADP. One carrier molecule in the electron transport chain called flavoprotein can bypass the next to the carrier in the chain and transfer the electron directly to oxygen. This alternate pathway produced two very potent cellular toxins, hydrogen peroxide and superoxide radicals. Here you can see the hydrogen peroxide and superoxide radical. Aerobic and facultative anaerobic bacteria produce enzyme capable of detoxifying these compounds. These enzymes are first enzyme is superoxide dismutase and other enzyme is catalase. Superoxide dismutase is an enzyme catalyzes the conversion of superoxide radicals more lethal to the two compounds, mean this is more lethal as compared to other one, hydrogen peroxide. Catalase convert the hydrogen peroxide to water and gaseous oxygen. Bacteria that produce catalase can be detected easily by using the typical store grade hydrogen peroxide. When hydrogen peroxide is added to the catalase positive culture, oxygen gas is removed in the form of bubble immediately after putting the culture. If no bubble formation is take place, the organism is catalase negative. Here you can see the flavoprotein in first reaction, which is reduced form, and in the presence of oxygen it gives the hydrogen ion to the oxygen and formation take place of hydrogen peroxide and flavoprotein is oxidized. Here you can see these hydrogen peroxide hydrogens react with the superoxide radicals, and in the presence of superoxide dismutase and formation of hydrogen peroxide and oxygen take place. Microbial production of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide may be formed through the transfer of electron from reduced flavoprotein to oxygen or from action of superoxide dismutase. As you can see, the flavoprotein in the reduced formed. Here formation of hydrogen peroxide take place, and other one reaction is superoxide radicals. In the presence of superoxide dismutase, formation of hydrogen peroxide take place. Other one reaction is hydrogen peroxide is broken down into water and gaseous oxygen in the presence of catalyst enzyme. Catalase mediated conversion of hydrogen peroxide. Catalase is an enzyme of aerobes, microaerophiles and facultative anaerobes that convert the hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen gas. Here you can see the test, how to perform the test. First of all, we take a drop of hydrogen peroxide and put into a sterile slide. After that, we take a culture which we want to check the positive or negative for catalase test. We take a loopful culture from the petri dish and put into this well which is formed by the hydrogen peroxide and mix well. After mixing, you will see the bubble formation. If the bubble formation take place, this test is positive. If the bubble formation not take place, this test is negative, as shown in the catalase slide test, in which visible bubble production indicate the positive result. Staphylococcus aureus is positive and is on the left side, you can see this, and Enterococcus faecium is negative for this test, is on the right side, you can see this. And this is a good idea to convert the slide with the petri dish lid immediately after addition of peroxide to contain aerosol produce the positive reaction. Catalase tube test. In this test, you can perform this test after putting 2 ml of 1 to 2 ml of hydrogen peroxide into test tube and take a loopful culture and mix well into test tube. You will see the bubble formation. This is a positive test. If you will not see the bubble formation, the test is negative. Here you can see the test, the catalase test may also be performed on the agar slant. Staphylococcus aureus is positive for catalase test on the left side, you can see this, and Enterococcus faecium is negative for this test, is on the right side. This is all about today lecture. I think it will be helpful for you. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.